Good morning. I'm making this video to show you as a follow-up to using equation editor from Canvas to using equation editor in Google Doc, actually, right? So in order to do that, if you need some help, you could just Google use add-ons and app scripts, and it'll tell you what to do. But essentially, this is how it works. In your Google Doc, go to the add-ons, and I intentionally deleted the one I already had and hit get add-ons. And the one that we're going to be using is called Auto-LaTex right there. This is created by a former Saratoga High School student, right? I made a certain request and he built it that way. Once you click on that, Auto-LaTex Equations, click install. Permission, okay, we'll continue. And you're gonna have to choose the account, hit okay with that. And the typical disclaimers, allow. And there you go. Takes less than a minute. Done. Okay. And the next time you click, you should see that right there. Okay. Now this is my, I opened up my pre-calc honors notes, right? Now, let me slide down to somewhere that has a equation editor, sorry, math equation. This looks fine, okay? So secant theta is equal to 3/4, right? So how would you enter that? What you would do is you come here to start the Auto-LaTex equation, and you're gonna get a set of menus on the right-hand side. If these look familiar from the previous videos, this particular script is powered by CodeCog, and if that doesn't work, it's also done by text renderer, right? But essentially, if in our cases, if you're very familiar with LaTeX equation, you could just start typing away. The default that I have usually is that if you go to set delimiter, the default that you're going to get is $, and if anything inside it is the LaTeX commands, then this script will recognize that anything in between the $2 signs, double $, is telling the document to create a equation editor. But I actually prefer using this one. It's faster for me on the keyboard. If you look at it, I don't have to press space bar. Shift bar, sorry. Well, anyways, for this one, because I do that and I type in \tan. Anytime you do that with commands, instead of having it italicized, it comes out as a regular text. And then theta is what it sounds like, \theta, and is equal to, that's a fraction, isn't it? \frac 3/4. Oopsie. I'm just copying the equation over again, and you simply render. You wait a few seconds, and there you go. The good thing about using this one is that you could edit this, right? Before you do that, you actually have a choice to go font size 12, 24 for large ones, automatic, or you could do inline. The good thing about that, when you do that, it comes out a little smaller like this. So it fits within the sentence much better if that's what you want to do, like this case. But if you just do just automatic, it will be a little bigger and then it's going to look slightly wonky, but most of the time, I try to put the equation in its own paragraph, so it's okay. Okay. All right. So that's basically it. But if you feel uncomfortable and you need a little bit of help, remember that this thing is powered by CodeCogs, full list of commands. He conveniently put the link over here. Oops. Press the link. There you go. And here it is. We've seen this before, right? And the advantage of this is that you could do \frac, and when I put open brace, it does all 4 of them for you already, right? So this A over B, and this in the bottom side, it tells you its output, right? What it's going to look like. So as you're typing, you can see what's going on. And if you want to put a color around it, let's say, you put a little red, and that's what you do. And then for blue, I think it's just blue. So if you, once you get to know the commands, it's not that bad actually. But what if you want to bold it? Let's take that away. What if I want to bold this right there and then put that's backslash math BF is bold font, right? Plug everything back in there. There you go. It's been bolded red fraction in that particular order of operation. And then you could just simply copy and then come here and put the delimiters in there. For me, it's backslash open bracket and backslash close bracket. In between it, I'm just going to paste it like that. And then let's go render this equation. Takes a few seconds. Voila, it's right there. Okay. The great thing about this, I don't know if I mentioned it already, but if you click on the equation, you can actually follow the link and you could edit it right here and then come back and paste it back in here. So for me, this is not getting updated. I moved away from Microsoft Office and MathType. That's every time Microsoft Word gets updated, MathType is rendered useless. So you have to keep updating, you have to keep paying for it. This is free. What's driving MathType underneath all that is LaTeX anyways. So why not just use the sources? Okay, guys? All right. So that is for me. And if you have any further questions, just let me know.